In this video, we'll learn how to use a sort by feature in MAPOG to find the nearest locations based on a search place or your live location. First, open your map and click on the Sort By tool. Here, you'll find two sorting options. The first option is Search for a Location. Simply enter a place name in the search box. Matching location suggestions will appear. Select the desired location from the list. As soon as you select a location, MAPOG will calculate the approximate distance and display all map locations in ascending order based on their distance from the selected place. The second option is Sort by Live Location. When selected, MAPOG uses your current location and displays all map locations in ascending order based on their approximate distance from you. If you want to return to the original arrangement, simply click Reset Sort. The Sort By feature helps users quickly identify the nearest locations, making it extremely useful for store locators, service centers, healthcare facilities, tourism maps, and many other location-based applications. In the next video, we'll learn how display properties works.